I want to speak on just being overwhelmed in your life. Sometimes you just need to take a break. Sometimes you just need to go away and detach yourself from everything and everybody. Put your phone away. Disconnect for a while. And go in nature and just take in what nature gives us naturally, which is peace, happiness. It's the little things that we do not take advantage of that means a lot, that can really prolong our lives. So when you start to feel overwhelmed, step away. Get away. Do something different in life. Go to a park. Go feed the birds, the pigeons. Do something that's not going to cost you anything, but you will walk away from it feeling so great and so refreshed. Being overwhelmed is not a great way to be, but we're living in a time where we are all just overwhelmed. You know, we're thinking about our problems. We're concerned about our family members. We are just constantly putting ourselves under these unnecessary stresses at times. So get away and work on you, because you're nothing for anyone if you fall apart. And far too many times we're too busy thinking of everyone else except ourselves. So let's take a break sometimes, especially when we're feeling overwhelmed, because that can lead to other problems. It can lead to depression. It can lead to suicide sometimes for others. Just take a moment and focus on you and no one else but you. Thank you, and God bless.